Hello everybody and welcome back to Texas Reloading Room. Today I want to do a little quick fun video for you with this particular firearm, and that is going to be how fast can I field strip a 1911. Going to do my best not to use any tools on this one, but I will have one on standby, so we'll see. Let me move you down to the bench and we'll see what I can do with this. Now before I start, on this particular one, we'll go ahead and say that the field strip itself is going to be having the frame, the slide, the barrel, the recoil spring, the guide rod, that basic stuff taken apart. We're not going to go in depth and start removing the extractor assembly or the grips or anything like that. Hopefully I'll be able to do this to where you guys can all see. Here's the one tool that I might need for it. I don't think I will, but we'll see. So anyway, let's go ahead and start the clock in 3, 2, 1, now. There we go. There's all our pieces. Now go ahead and put it back together for you. It's going to take a little bit longer and I may quickly explain some of the things as we go. So our basic field strip on this is going to be the frame, the recoil spring, our guide rod, our barrel bushing, the barrel itself, the recoil spring retainer cup, the slide lock, and the slide. And of course, loaded magazine is going to be off to the side. You did see me clear that firearm before I started playing around with it. So let's go ahead and put this back together real quick. Now, I do have a more in-depth video on how exactly this works, so if you want more depth on a 1911, go watch that video. We'll fold the link forward on the barrel and slide that back in, and then I take the barrel link, or the barrel bushing, and put it there and rotate it off to the 90-degree side, flip my link back, put my guide rod in, and the spring with the open end facing out. Right in there just like that. And then what I'll do is go ahead and slide this onto the frame and make sure right there that my link is lined up with that hole. And then work that in my slide lock, seat it fully, push that back forward, insert the cup, fold the bushing down, and we're ready to go. Alright, so that was just a little quick fun video for you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Maybe you learned a little bit of something that you didn't know about taking one of these down before. Don't worry if you can't do it with the speed that I can. I made my living for a while working on firearms such as this. Took probably a dozen of them apart every single day, so I learned the steps needed. Now, a tighter tolerance, well, I'm not going to say a tighter tolerance gun, but this particular firearm itself I don't need tools for. Sometimes you're going to need something to help you push this down, or you might even have a Springfield that's got that full length with the insert that you have to unscrew. If you need the tools, that's okay. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to kick back and do a few more of these, and if you're interested in seeing those, check those out. They should be listed right down below, and I'll see you in the next video.